welcome back to another camping adventure. Last night we hung out and made pizzas and just set everything up and hung out by the campfire and enjoyed the rest of our night. So I'll give you guys a little bit of clips on that and then we'll go right into the camp spot. Guys, cool. I've never taken you guys here, so I'm really excited about this adventure and sharing with you guys our camping setup. Charlie's with us here this trip, as always, enjoying her time here. I've got the mini bike here this trip. We'll be riding that around for 4th of July. Changing room, bathroom over here. As always, I've got the Jeep because it's got the tent on the top with the OPENROAD awning, plenty of light throughout the night and shade during the day. We can prep our meals and things. Brought the tailgater table, and then we just have another table right here. We've got the OPENROAD shower privacy tent that we got set up on the trailer. Brought the kids' bike today. Got our little hand washing station. Absolutely love the hand washing station. Just the roto packs with the pump on the top. I've got the trailer right here on this fairly level spot. Just kind of use my jack to level out the trailer. I've got another jack on the back to support it there. And then on the back tailgate of the trailer, we've got the power bank and all of our electronics for charging. I already put the pizza oven away. Pizza was awesome camping. That was a hit. And then, yeah, here's our rooftop tent, the ladder, and we've got some mats laid out, the dog bed. Over here, I've got our refrigerator just kind of chilling out in the shade. We've got it plugged into the big battery in the trailer. And then I've got the solar already hooked up. We're running about 14 volts, 3.7 amps. Just kind of trickle charging, maintaining the battery for the refrigerator. And hopefully we're using the power off the solar panel for most of the power needed throughout the day to keep that refrigerator and all of our things nice and cool. I was really surprised how quickly they got this tent up. Really like this tent. Fits his whole family in here, and he's got like this little patio set up. And then he brought his Blackstone, which is really cool, all set up. And he made this chuck box he's trying out this trip. Pretty cool. He made it all by hand, plywood. It all opens up and that's how it looks. And then it closes up and everything's neatly put away and ready for the next adventure. This is a little table, and then we've got the pop-up, and essentially the focal point of the camping trip is this beautiful bridge with all of these little pools inside for swimming. Got the rope swing here. Just a beautiful spot. So as you can see, it's about 10:30 in the morning already, and we're already all hot and getting in the water and swimming and having a good time. Good girl. We could dive right here. We got the rope swing set up on the bridge. Heck yeah. I'm gonna go test it out. Woo! Woo! Jolly! Fire this thing up. Whoa! Ooh, there's fish right there. 3 trout, 4 trout. Oh, there's another trout, 2 trout right here. Look how beautiful this is. Some wildflowers.
Camping charcuterie, yep. Roasted on the fire.
Wow. Goes.
Okay, don't let it explode.
Got it.
We got it.
Good morning, everybody, and happy 4th of July. It's been a great morning overall, getting everything situated. Got the solar panels in the full sun to top off and trickle our batteries. We've got the refrigerators, just moving those into some shades. We made breakfast, bacon and eggs on the scuttle, and very delicious, hung out by the water, and we're getting ready to go on a hike and just kind of explore the area. Tonight we're gonna make some tacos, so I'm really excited about that. And then, yeah, we'll just be hanging out and relaxing. So come and enjoy it with us on day 3 of this awesome camping adventure. The stream is really low and definitely hikeable. So yeah, we're just gonna see what we can find, and maybe we can find a cool swimming hole. Well, we found this hidden pool back here. It's pretty cool. It's like all these little granite shelves and little veins that are going through here of this rock. I see some fish in here. They all booked it under these rocks. Not too far from camp. Been finding a lot of these holes in these rocks like this. I'm curious if this is man-made or if this is natural, but it would definitely serve as a good tool to make food and things like that, or store something in it. Maybe you're trying to protect something. Literally, I think we found a paradise. Look at this. There's Hayden. All right, we're back from the hike, and Ray's already whipped up some lunch. She's hanging out, swimming with the kids. Sammy.
Say hold on, like you said.
Oh, Charlie. Oh, here you go. Ready?
Let me pick them. I want to. But I gotta pick them. Ah!
Wait, it was. Oh my god. What year did Grandpa die? 2022? It was July 2022. I should know.
Go.
You're like Connor.
Put a baby in it.
Little flip. Little flip.
Up, baby.
Bing bong. Slow body.
But this is El Pastor, basically pork with marinade and pineapples. And then we also caramelized and grilled some onions in the center there. And now we're just cooking it all up and gonna have some pastor tacos for dinner tonight on our 4th of July celebration.
There's no heat in these.
Looks pretty good.
Like that?
Perfect. Pastor taco. That's good. Some of my favorite tacos right here. It's got a little sweetness, salty, spicy, just good. Very good taco.
Everybody howl!
Oh, Charlie. Good morning, everybody. We're just waking up. It's about 8:30 in the morning, day 4. I felt like I had some pretty good sleep last night. 4th of July, so a lot of people in the area, you can hear their music. So we kind of stayed up celebrating late last night. It's fine. Anyway, we're going to be getting up and start packing up camp. We're going to leave today. We are running low on supplies, so I'll show you guys a little bit about us packing up and getting back on the trail. So let's have a good day.
blankets and what happened. You want the fan?
It's done now.
Slow. There you go. Go ahead. Yes, ready.
A little bit more. Come on, friend.
All right, everybody, we are back on the trail. Everything's packed up, nicely secure. We're saying goodbye to our campsite for the last couple of days. It's just been amazing, a beautiful site, and just building a lot of memories with family and friends. So thank you guys for coming along with us. The work's not over yet. We still have to, unpack and get everything cleaned up, do the laundry, unpack the refrigerators. It's quite a bit of work. So if you guys like this content, definitely hit the thumbs up for us. Hit the like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel. We would love for you guys to come back on more adventures with us. And ultimately, we've got to get ready for the next adventure. So until then, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.